Python Pandas replacing header with top row. I currently have a data frame that looks like this. I'm looking for a way to delete the header row and make the first row the new header row, so the new data frame would look like this. I've tried stuff along the lines of if unnamed and df.columns column, then make the data frame without the header df.to_CSV new format, header equals false, index equals false, but I don't seem to be getting anywhere.
The data frame can be changed by just doing. Then should do the trick.
If you want a one-liner, you can do. Another one-liner using Python swapping. This won't reset the index. Although, the opposite won't work as expected. df.columns, df equals df.ilix0, df1 column.
At Ostrich answers best. Most likely you would want to keep that throughout any references to the data frame, thus would benefit from inplace equals true. df.rename columns equals df.ilix0, inplace equals true df.drop0, inplace equals true.
Сможет лучше, если версия